Okay, this is where I'm setting up. That's facing somewhat southeast, and I have it on these landscape ties here with the cinder blocks underneath, just a cinder block wide. There's a little overhang on each side, but I don't know. Feel free to chime in, all you experienced beekeepers. That's where I have it right now. So that's the bottom board. There's the hive body. Put this on. Okay, let's put the frames in. One. I guess you have to keep these in order once they start building in there, so I have to take a marker to these, put some identification marks on them, number them 1 through 10. Seems the simplest route. There is a space here. Am I missing one? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I thought it was completely filled. So there's enough space here to put the queen in. And here's the reducer. So I'll put that in. Does it matter? We have this. Looks like I'm gonna have to put it in like that. That little notch on the outside. Hope that doesn't confuse them. So you can see what type of day it is today. It's broken clouds, really humid, high dew point. When the sun comes through, it really warms up. So that's really going to get direct morning sun, and then the afternoon sun, and then like after, I don't know, 1 o'clock, it starts getting some shade from this apple tree here, the Fuji apple tree. So I'm thinking I just put a couple of posts in the ground here. There's a raspberry bush I just put there. So we put a couple of posts in the ground and some trellis on that. Get some old trellis. I can quickly just staple to it or nail to it. And you can move these, I guess, 2 feet a day if you decide you want to move them to a new location. Right underneath there, that would block out the morning sun and some of the afternoon sun, but then in the late afternoon it gets direct sun. I was also thinking of as far away from, sort of like equidistant from the neighbors as far as activity goes. Wondering what the liability is on beehives. You know, if neighbors have any allergies to bees. But how would they prove it was your bee? I've seen honeybees here before I've had this beehive.